It's so pretty. The light bugs. Where'd it go? It's so cool, listen. It's so pretty. Seeing light bugs too. See the light bugs. See them? No, I don't have good signal. I told you that. Well, good for you. I don't. I think they're done for now. It was so pretty. It's worth getting. That's worth getting wet for. So, it's here and that. Awesome. See ya. Happened. Holy shit.
Rainbow.
That's so pretty.
I spotted it first.
Yes, she did. Thank you, Annie.
It's clearing up, but look.
Yeah. That's beautiful. There's a pond back that way. The end of a rainbow is water. What's the most precious thing in the world?
Rainbow.
No. Water.
No.
That's the gold. That's the gold at the end of the rainbow. Yes. Listen to them frogs. That's freaking awesome.
Oh my god, it is clearing up, Mama.
Yeah.
I can't believe mixing.
Look at that sunset.
When I look
Look,
over.
it's like tropical. Look.
Yeah, that's nice. Like when I looked over here a minute ago,
It's shining.
earlier it wasn't there. Then I looked back again, it's there.
Yeah, I know. That's it. A split second. That's all it takes. The light hits just right.
I want to see a double rainbow.
Without rain, you wouldn't have rainbows.
Oh, that's why it's called rainbow.
Yeah, where the lights refracting.
Let's follow it.
No, it's at the end of a rainbow. I just told you.
Water.
Water.
Then where's the rainbow thing at? It's not in the water, is it?
Yeah, that's probably most likely that. Well, I found the end of one, and it was at water. It was at a little river creek.
That.
So anyway, that's so cool. It's
You
fading out. Look, don't you throw that cat in the pond. Anyway, stop it. That's what they do. They're cats. Anyway, so beautiful.
You okay, girl?
Love y'all. See ya.
Hey,
Take care. Was that lightning? Come on. I tried to get more of the moon, but somebody was grumpy this morning. Anyway, it was so cool. And that rainbow, it faded out there yesterday. It faded to pink. It was so pretty. Um, anyway, have a great day, y'all. Love you. See you.